I don't want just anybody.
Artlist.io.
Can you treat me like somebody? I don't want just anybody. I don't want just anybody. Let me treat you like somebody. Try to dive on a Rari. This forever, we ain't stopping. You the life of the party.
Music licensing reimagined.
I got that pressure, don't need no straw. Try to you special, I need your love. Need your love, I need your love right now. Won't tell nobody. Down the middle, if I get it, then you got it. Seen her first inside the lobby. That's a girl I want for life right beside me. Still together through whatever, like we signed me. Stage low type, I keep telling.
Video. Hey, Mistress, Mrs. and Miss. I'm at Mom's house right now. Y'all see she got her 49er helmets over there on the fireplace. I just wanted to, no, I got the camera up high, Mom. But I just wanted to show you guys the books I got. So, and happy new year for y'all that ain't been on the videos. If you new, welcome, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, now, so I want to show you guys what books I got because I want to start cooking different for the new year. Just different recipes and stuff. You know, stuff I ain't never cooked before, you know? So that's what I'm into. So I just went to the library. It's by Mom's house. And this is the first one I got, Trap Kitchen. So I got one of their books before. And these are Snoop Dogg's friends. They from L.A. Well, they stay in L.A. or something. I think they got a restaurant in L.A. if I'm not mistaken. But he's the foreword on this book. So that's what it says. Malachi. So Trap Kitchen by Malachi Jenkins and Roberto Smith. And like I said, I had their book before. And it's called Mackin' All Over the World. Bangin' Recipes. 50 banging recipes. So it's all type of different mac and cheese. You know, they got the kimchi mac and cheese with some short ribs and all kind of stuff in here, y'all. And I already found mac and cheese to make from this book. But not right now, because I don't even want no cheese. I'm tired of cheese, so I'm not making no recipes with no cheese right now. This next book I got is the boba book. So it's different boba recipes in here. So that's coffee, tea, plover. That look good, y'all. So I'm gonna be making different, because I love boba tea. I love that boba tea. So it's different ones in here. This is chamango or watermelon chamoy. Oh, they look good, y'all. So I am gonna be making a few of these, and I gotta get us a new blender. I had a bullet, but a little baby bullet, but I got rid of that, so I'm gonna have to get us a blender. This is America's Test Kitchen, 5 ingredient dinners, 100 plus fast flavorful meals. This look good. That look good on the front. And then on the back, this is a cookbook for your real life. Look at all that, y'all. I'm about to be cooking some stuff that's different. You gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Okay. So then I got Dolly Parton and Rachel Parton George. So I believe they're sisters. That's her sister, I believe. Cause she looked just like her, and then her maiden name is Parton. So I know that's her sister. That's her relative. But it says good looking cooking, a year of meals. And it has all kind of different meals in there that look good. So I'm gonna make some stuff out of here too. Rustic chicken and dumplings. That look good. So I got her book. And her book is cute. I like that yellow. That's like a pale yellow, pastel yellow. Okay, then I got y'all know I'm trying to get rid of this belly. And I'm getting rid of it. I ain't playing. Because we starting to work out. It's a whole lot of things we about to change. So y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see this year, 2025. So this is Zero Belly Cookbook, 150 delicious recipes. So, and that's the back. And then let me see. Oh, steak frites with arugula, chimichurri, and asparagus. That look good. So I'm gonna dig into this one too. And I'm gonna keep, this is probably the book that I'm gonna keep the longest because I really need to flatten my stomach because I'm not trying to have one. I just started having a stomach right before the pandemic. Not even during the pandemic, but right before. And it's because I had this job to where we couldn't leave for lunch. We had to just sit there. So I used to just eat and sit there at the front desk. Just sit there and eat. Okay, so this next one is modern Cuban. So these are all kind of different Cuban dishes. A contemporary approach to classic recipes. That look good on the back. And then you got let's see, Cuban sandwiches. Cuatro. It said cuatro. Cuban sandwiches. Oh, this stuff look good too. What is this? Let's see. I'm gonna show you guys something else up in here. Carne con papas. That looks good. Over rice. And what type of meat is that? That's top round. 2 pounds of top round. That's what that is. Or you could get boneless chuck roast. That looks real good, y'all. So I'm gonna make some dishes out of there. And then, so that's all. Let me see. I got 6 cookbooks, y'all, and they heavy as hell. So I went crazy over there. But I don't like how, now this is an urban fiction book. She fell in love with a real one. So I love these urban fiction books, but why, I don't understand why the section is so small now over there. Like it used to be a long section of urban fiction books. Now it's just like real narrow. Y'all see the stone of the fireplace? It's like half of that, the section. I'm like, I was over there, I said, what the hell is this? But anyway, I got this one. And because y'all know I love to read. And then I got a bookmark. So these are all the urban fiction authors. Zane, Sister Soldier, Terry. Oh, I love Zane and Terry Woods, y'all. Sapphire, Quan Foy, Shannon Holmes, Mark Anthony, Nikki Turner. I know about her. Treasure Blue and Vicky Stringer. Yep, so cute little bookmark. But I just wanted to share with you guys the cookbooks I got in this book because I definitely, I'm going to start making some recipes out of this world that you never even heard of. And whatever they got up in there, I'm going to put a twist to it and make it my way too. Like with their way and my way. So y'all see, look forward to some, cooking shows from us. We'll do mukbangs, cooking show / mukbang too. And maybe even some challenges from that book. Like I'm gonna call a few of my friends. Y'all want to do a challenge on this? Whoever can eat it the fastest, then you win this amount of money. So anyway, we'll see y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna talk to y'all soon. And I want to thank you for stopping by, Mr. and Mrs. Lady. And I hope y'all have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you soon. Thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share with others. Share these books. If you have any questions on these books, leave a comment down below. Okay? All right, y'all. Take care. Have a good one.